TLDR of why I got the M1 MacBook Pro in 2025. 1. Good screen, good color accuracy. 2. Good performances for pretty good specs. 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, base spec, I know. I needed a powerful editing machine on the go, and I got it used, it was cheap, and I'm broke. That is the TLDR for why I got the M1 MacBook Pro in 2025. If you wanna stay on, watch the video, sure. But if you wanna watch something else, you can watch a short film that me and my friends made over here. Thank you for staying on. Let's get to the video. A little backstory. I've been editing on a Windows machine since I knew how to edit. I had a Windows laptop, I've built my own PC during the pandemic, and the only time I really used a Mac to edit was when I was in uni and they had the facilities for it. So why did I switch? 1. Screen and color accuracy. Apple is known to have amazing screens throughout their devices, their iPhones, their iPads, their iMacs, and of course, their MacBooks. My current monitor is the Expose monitor 24-inch 75Hz, and it was a gift from my then girlfriend, now fiance, Ali. Love you. It's a great monitor, it's great for day-to-day tasks, and if I wasn't doing video work, it would have been completely fine. I wouldn't have to upgrade anything. But I have noticed some inaccuracies when I'm editing, so what I see is not what I get on my phone, which is annoying. And I know, yes, Trent, learn color grading, learn to read color scopes. I am. But I just want to be, like, it's easy, you know, like, I want to get what I see. I use this MacBook to edit my recent Reel/TikTok. By the way, follow if you haven't. Links in the description. But editing that video made me know that I've made the right decision. The color was the same on my MacBook screen, on my phone, on Ali's phone, on our Android phone we have in the house, and also this video will be edited on the MacBook as well, so you can let me know how it looks down in the comments. Speaking of editing on the MacBook, I did an export test of 2 of the same videos, same timeline on 2 devices, my MacBook and my old PC. It's 4K footage, 24 FPS on a 4K timeline, 4K export settings, and the export settings are same throughout both devices. You can check it out here. And it's a 24-minute long video. While it's exporting, I'll talk a little bit about the specs. The PC I'm running a Ryzen 5 5500, 16 gigs of RAM, DDR4, RTX 3050, 8 gigs. And the MacBook is an M1 Pro 8-core, 14-core GPU, 16 gigs of unified memory, and after the MacBook exported a 24-minute 4K video in about 10 minutes, my PC is still exporting, so let's just speed it up a little bit. The results really say for itself, and it has the added benefit of portability because carrying this around is better than carrying that around. Portability is also a key reason why I chose the MacBook Pro. Right now I'm using a Huawei MateBook D15. It has a Ryzen 5 3500 laptop CPU, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. It was great. I used it throughout my uni days and it served me really well. I used it during the pandemic and all that stuff. It was amazing. And it was also my first new laptop, which I'm super grateful for, and I used it a lot. I really used it a lot. I will show you how much I've used it. And as I left uni, my career grew, specs demand grew with it because I'm a video editor by trade. And I got the HP Victus 15. It was a gift from my dad. Love you, Dad. The fans ran loud, the plasticky build makes it bow sometimes when you press too hard. I've used it for 3 years and I sold it this year and I went back to the Huawei because I thought that I have a PC, why do I need to edit on a laptop? It's just for portability. But when I was in Sabah for a whole month for me and Ali's engagement, check out the engagement video if you haven't. I had a lot of work to do. I had to edit on my Huawei and it was tough. It's passively cooled, so no fans, and the aluminium body makes it run very hot, so when you're resting your palms on there to type, it gets really hot and I get sweaty very easy. Not the greatest combo, I know. The Wi-Fi chip is basically useless. I have to use a dongle to get stable connection. The sound card kind of works, but to be really fair, it has been 6 years and I've used this laptop as much as I can use it for. And right now it will be sitting at my TV being a media console, so we can watch Netflix and YouTube on the TV. So I have been hunting, scouring the depths of Shopee and Carousel, and I came across this MacBook. And after researching and comparing specs between other MacBook lines, I bit the bullet and bought it. I've only had this MacBook for a few days, and yes, of course there's a learning curve. The trackpad was different, it's weird. But I want to know, what do you think? Do you think I made the right purchase, or do you think I should have just upgraded my GPU and my monitor and the day. Let me know down in the comments. My name is Xuan. Next video is on the way.